Hey guys, welcome back to Tekneikos. So the other day one of my friends asked me if I have JetBrains Ultimate IDE like the premium version, which is this one. Let me show you. IntelliJ IDE Ultimate, which costs you around $5.99 a year, and if you take monthly billing you have to pay $59 per month. So the thing is, he is a Java developer. He wanted to use IntelliJ IDE and I told him I actually got it for free through the GitHub Student Pack, and he was completely surprised. That made me realize if he did not know about it, maybe a lot of you don't either. So in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through what is GitHub Student Developer Pack and the insane amount of premium tools and resources it gives you for free, and how you can grab it too if you are a student. Trust me, whether you are just starting out or already deep into development, this is going to be a gold mine for you. So we will search GitHub Student Pack and we will open it. Once you open this, you will see a lot of tools and softwares that provides you some premium features for some amount of time, and there are lots of things that are actually not useful. They are just present for advertisement, but I will also walk you through the things which are actually useful and which are not. So we will sign in. Remember one thing, there are some rules and regulations that you need to follow to apply for GitHub Student Pack. The first thing is you must need one account associated with GitHub. So I'm going to log in to my temporary account. Remember, this is not my primary account, so we will show you how you can get that. The first thing that you need to do once you are logged in, go to settings. In the settings, go to password and authentication and enable the two-factor authentication. This is extremely important. Without enabling the two-factor authentication, you cannot apply for the GitHub Student Pack. You can see I have enabled the two-factor authentication. Once you are done with this, again search for Student Pack. There is some issue with the browser. Maybe they are saying we are still processing your application, but I have not applied anything. So we will get back. Okay, open this page. Are you a student? Okay, this is the site you need to go. education.github.com /join. So we are student. I will click on yes, I'm student. Okay, they have upgraded the process. So we will open. If you are looking for individual GitHub education benefit for student or teachers, apply. Yeah, this link. Okay, now we have opened the link. Start an application. We are student. Search for your university. I will search for mine. And one important thing is share location. Once you click on this, allow it and make sure you are present in your campus. Okay, this is very important. I have heard this, that a lot of applications getting rejected because they are not present at their campuses, rather they are present in their home. So I make sure you are present at your campus. Put your school name. So once you add your school name, they will give you a warning that we require applicants of this university to use one of these school issues email addresses to apply, which is kalingauniversity.ac.in. So you can go to this page by opening new tab, then add the email address provided by your university. Let me add a random one. I cannot add this, so I'm just adding it. Then you will receive one OTP. Add that OTP to verify. Once you are done with this, just come back and refresh the page. Again, start the application. This time I am choosing a different university for your reference. Suppose, is there any? Look at this. And after that, change the email address from your primary to your school email address. Click on continue. They might ask you for some documentation like your ID card, photo for their verification. So give the clear quality ID card photo with your image if it is present, or any relevant document that you have that is required to verify that you are actually a student. It will maybe take 1 day or lesser than that to verify your email address associated with your school and your details. As I mentioned earlier, I will let you know what are the tools that are actually important and what are those things which are not important but are present here. So once you open the education.github.com/pack, if you go down, you will see a lot of websites and tools that are present here, but what are useful, either you can filter them by your needs, whether you want cloud, design, developer tools, domains. So let's explore. We have Namecheap, which gives you 1 year domain name registration on the .me. That's really good. 1 year free registration. You also have name.com, which gives you a free domain of your choice with over 15 select domain extensions. That is really good. Now you have DigitalOcean. If you are into production, you want to deploy your projects, you can utilize the $200 platform credit for 1 year. You have JetBrains, the thing I was talking about. If you open JetBrains website, you can see here how many different types of IDEs they have based on different programming languages and your use cases. You can use the premium features of these IDEs, whether you use IntelliJ for Java, Kotlin, whether you use WebStorm for JavaScript, Rider for .NET, ReSharper for .NET. There are lots of IDEs. You can go for Teams. You have UTrack, TeamCity. A lot of things are there. So you will be beneficial if you obtain the JetBrains. And you have Notion, .tech domain, one standard .tech domain for free for 1 year. .tech is really good. You have GitHub, free GitHub Pro while you are a student. This is really useful. You have Microsoft's Azure, free access to 25 plus Azure cloud services plus $100 in Azure credit. Then you have Codex. Verified student received 6 months of Codex Club, a premium membership for free, where you can learn different languages, tools, a lot of things. If you open it, you can see getting started, Codex Club, a lot of things are there you can explore. Let me go back. Then we have MongoDB, $50 in Atlas credit, which is extremely useful. You have GitLens, you have Termius. This is free access to all Termius Pro and Termius team features while you are a student. You will get free essential plan while you are a student for testmail.app. You have GitHub Pages, extremely useful for deploying your projects. If you don't want much problems, you can directly deploy your projects through your GitHub using GitHub Pages. Then you have Microsoft Azure, Datadog, 1Password for storing your passwords for 1 year. Then Stripe. These things are not much useful. You have algoexpert.io, free access to 20 coding interview questions on AlgoExpert. Then there are a lot of things present. Interview Cake, access to full coding interview preparation course for 1 week. You can explore. The more you explore, the more stuff that you will find are actually useful for your work, and I hope these tools will actually help you to improve your skills and be a better developer. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to Tekneikos for such content, and I will see you in next video.